Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Britney Louise. If you are new here, how you doing? Hey, hello. Happy fall, guys. I am excited to bring you guys a few looks in my fall makeup lookbook. This is the eyes only lookbook. I just want to play around in some makeup. I'm excited for the nice fall weather. Hopefully we have nice fall weather that we can kind of enjoy. I don't know how much of a fall we're gonna have and how much activity we're going to be doing, because you know Rona's still running rampant out in these streets. And yeah, I just know I am here for the fall weather. If I have to go sit out on my porch and look real fancy and cute, I will. In my lookbook, it's a little bit of something for everyone. You can take it, modify it how you want to. Please enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video because I know you are going to love these looks. And happy fall, y'all. Ow. Okay guys, so for the first look, I decided to use the Natasha Denona bronze palette, and I love this palette. I know it came out in the summer, but for real y'all, this palette is great to use all year round. It's a beautiful warm palette, and it just, when I look at it, it reminds me of fall anyway. So this first look, I wanted to do something soft and subtle, but with a little bit of pizzazz in the center. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of pizzazz in the center. This is such an easy look, something you can do every day if you want to, if you're more of like a person who loves shimmers. But this is also something that you can dress up and wear it in the evening as well. You can do what you want with this look pretty much, and I just love it. What's the matter?
Oh, hell no!
And on that note, there you have it, the first look. I promise y'all took literally no time and like 4 colors to use. Moving on. I have a confession. I absolutely hate that wig. As a matter of fact, I kind of hate all wigs, but that one in particular, I really hate. So here you go. Naturally me. Let's get into look number 2. Okay guys, so Born to Run palette by Urban Decay. Had to use it. It's definitely a oldie but goodie. One of their best palettes, and might I add, this palette literally you can use for just about any darn look you want to. And I just decided to create a really nice soft chocolate, very skin-like finish look. And I really wanted to play with all mattes, especially if you are someone who is not into the shimmers, you ain't into all of that. I wanted to do this look for you, boo. This one's for you. I love a good skin finish, and yeah, so please enjoy this one because I really enjoyed it, especially how quick it went. I think I used probably like maybe 3 or 4 colors. Such a simple, easy, and fun look, y'all. And y'all know I had to let the fro glow. I had to let my soul glow. Yeah. I can't deal with wigs, y'all. I'm sorry. Moving on to the next. So in this next look, we use a smorgasbord of colors. We use the Lip Bar, Pat McGrath, some oldie but goodie soul stuff. You know what I'm saying? You see it on the screen right there. And basically what I wanted to do was just play up my eyes really well and just, you know, add that va-va-voom. I think blue is a gorgeous fall color, especially if done right. I just really wanted to play with that, and so I had to dip into that e.l.f. palette. Y'all have no idea how much I was so surprised how pigmented that blue from that e.l.f. palette was. That was my very first time using that palette, so I definitely recommend those 4-pan palettes by e.l.f. But yes, quick, easy, dress it up day or night. Add a little bit of pizzazz in the corner like so. Do your thing. Ow, ow. And just in a few seconds, 3, 2, 1, you'll have a baddie like me. Switch the hair over. Boom. Look at that. You don't know what to do. You ready for date night, okay? Moving right along. So in this look, I really wanted to play with a monochromatic finish. And I feel like with fall, you cannot have fall without that beautiful burnt orange. You know what I mean? So I had to play. Okay, and what better palette to use than Patricia's palette, Times Makeup Revolution. I mean, you have every single palette, every single color in her Bright Colors palette. So I definitely decided to play in that palette and come up with this beautiful fiery orange color. You don't have to add the green at the bottom like I did, but I like to play with colors, so I think it's beautiful. I look like a sexy pumpkin, and it's quick, easy, literally no colors, no time. You're done, okay? Look at me. I'm fabulous. I'm fabulous. Let's move on to the last look. For this last look, I wanted to play with deep purples, like aubergines. That's kind of what I was going for in this last look here. I wanted to play with those dark purples, dark aubergines. I wanted to give myself like this pizzazz, like I'm low-key ready for the club look, club quarantine look. Let me just go ahead and fix that right there. But I just wanted to do something fun and like, let's go out, let's get it cracking at our front door because we can't go anywhere else. But we can look fabulous on the couch, okay? We can look fabulous with a glass of wine. So I wanted to play with these wine colors, add a little bit of rose gold in the center. And I'm telling you, 1, 2, 3, boom, look at me. Oh, she fancy. Ain't she cute? And that is it. This is technically the end of the video. So let me know which look you loved the best down below. And if you guys decide to recreate any one of my looks, don't forget to tag me on Instagram so that I can repost you and give you lots of shout outs and lots of love. I am excited for the fall weather. I don't know if you guys are, but I am so excited for fall. Feel free to check out any one of my other videos, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so that we can love on you, okay? We can love on you and give you warm hugs through the screen with our mask on. All right guys, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.